Wait lang. It's recording.
Almost everyone nagtipid sa eyeshadow. Lumampas. Buo. Apply and blend, apply and blend. I've done a face in less than 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Like, kay Jen's model, kay Dean, everyone else who I did. Like, less than 5 minutes ang isang kilay. I mean, my point here is, if you are gonna do more than 1 hour of makeup, make sure it's excellent. Because in the industry, Robert, you know that, pag nagtatagal ang makeup artist, pinipil nila sobrang perfect. Okay? So for you guys, make sure that your skills and time of makeup, make sure it's hindi masyado matagal, hindi masyado mabilis. Tama lang, and the work done is excellent. Or minimal corrections. Okay? Curling of mascara and curling of lashes, bagsak. Eyeliner in the upper and lower waterline, bagsak. Lahat upper lash line, iba okay, iba kulang, iba bitin. Okay? Blush excellent everyone, pero yung lip lining, masyado akong wala akong nakitang lip lining, puro lang lipstick. Okay? This is your third evaluation. Okay, we'll take down notes today and forward it to everyone. This is a new lesson.
Walang mag-wait yun, no?
I will explain now with one model. Model na lang ni Robert para lahat mapunta doon, para may space dito. At saka model ni Jen. So, mas malaki yung spaces. Okay? Okay, smoky eyeshadow. When do we use smoky eyeshadow? Ito na lang yun. Okay, smoky eyeshadow tayo. Smoky eyeshadow is the eye makeup process in which if you are theming or making a theme to make the makeup pop well, daytime, nighttime, far view, and then near view, from a distance and up close.